Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix missing or disappearing photos on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down and search gallery app. From here click on gallery and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache gallery app. After clear cache gallery, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your hidden files. After check your hidden files, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on gallery app. Now in gallery and click on trash. So check your recycle bin. After check recycle bin, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.